Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix an expanded door. See, this is a very common problem with all the wooden doors. They get expanded, especially in the rainy season they expand, and because of that it becomes very difficult to operate them. For example, I'll show you the problem with this door and then I'll show you how to fix it. So I'm closing the door completely. So I have pushed it completely inside and then I'm putting this lock knob. Now see what happens. Without even twisting it, I was able to open it. So now I'll show you how to fix it. See, the very first thing to fix this problem is you need to tighten these screws in the hinges, okay? So before tightening these screws, you can optionally insert some object beneath this door, so it will raise the door and it will allow you to tighten the screws easily, okay? So once you are done with inserting some object beneath the door, okay, you need to tighten these screws. And you need to do it for both the sides, the door side also and the frame side also, okay? And you need to do this for all the hinges, so this one and the bottom one, okay? So let's do it. So now I'm done with tightening all the screws and all the hinges, and with that the problem is almost resolved, okay? So if I press it, I'm not able to pull it, okay? So this door was very easy to repair. Just by tightening the screws and the hinges, the problem got resolved. So I'll show you one more door for the demo. So this is another door, and now you see the problem. It's not going inside properly. You can see some gaps, and at some places the door is over the frame, okay? So in this case, to resolve the issue, we have to chip some layers of this door, okay? So I'll show you how to do that. So for this purpose we would require a tool like this, okay? So this is a chipping tool and you can buy it from a local shop. This costs about 50 to 60 rupees, and this is specially designed for the wooden chipping. You can see the shape, okay? So there is one more tool and this is how it looks. This is also used for the same purpose, to peel the layers of the wood, okay? But this has a slight different use case. I'll show you at the end of the video, okay? And this costs about 200 rupees. You can get it from any local hardware shop. So before we start chipping, one important thing you need to remember is don't chip too much. If you chip it too much, in that case there will be a lot of gaps, okay? And then the mosquitoes can come inside. So if you don't have a major problem with opening and closing, then don't chip it, okay? And when you are chipping it, don't try to fix it once and for all, okay? When you have a problem, then chip it a little bit and then manage the things, okay? And next time when it again get expanded, then you can chip it again, okay? See what happens in the rainy season, this door get expanded, but in the summer season this gets contracted also, okay? So don't chip too much, otherwise you will see a lot of gaps, okay? Now I'll show you the demo. We need to find the right spot where the chipping is required. So for example, here you can see there is enough gap, okay? But here there is overlap, so this part we will chip it, okay? See, one thing you need to remember is do it patiently, okay? Don't try to hit the sixer. You need to chip layer by layer, okay? Even after doing it precisely and carefully, it will definitely spoil the aesthetics. You can see the paint is gone, okay? But there is no choice. We know that the usability is more important than the beauty. So I'm done with the chipping work, okay? So once you are done with the chipping work, this surface will be quite rough, okay? And to remove the roughness, what you can do is you can use a hammer and then hammer it like this, okay? You need to hammer it quite hard, okay? See, this is plywood door, so when you hammer it, it will go inside and you will see a little bit of smoothness. It will never be as smooth as it was earlier, okay? But at least you can get a little bit of smoothness by hammering it, okay? So after doing this chipping work, you can see how smoothly it goes. So you can see some gap also because of chipping, and it has completely gone inside. We can just lock it. So now about this tool. See, this can also be used for the chipping, okay, but this works properly only for the wooden door, not for the door which are made up of particle boards or the plywood, okay. So I'll show you how it works on the wooden door. So this is the proper wooden door, okay, teak wood. See, you can see how easily it is chipping. So that's all for this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.